Russ Sadikoff with Team Russ Homes.
And I'm Ronnie Cope with Team Russ Homes.
Today we're bringing you to our newest listing at 1779 Lucretia Avenue in San Jose.
This spacious 4-bedroom home is centrally located next to Kelly Park and Happy Hollow, and it's also just minutes away from 101 and 280 in downtown San Jose.
Please join us on this tour today. It was great to have you on the tour with us today.
As you've seen, this spacious 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home has an open floor plan with a large island, high ceilings, recessed lighting, and attached balcony.
In addition to having a full bed and bath downstairs, you have 3 spacious bedrooms on top level, including a master suite with dual vanity, sunken tub, and a walk-in closet.
If you have any questions or would like to schedule a private tour, contact us directly.
We'll look forward to speaking with you soon.